Hey traders, Jay from WB Trades. Wanted to do a recap on Monday's trade. Uh, Very solid start to the week. Made around 4,000, 42.90. Uh, well above the daily goal. My daily goal is around 1,000. If I can do that consistently in this market, really happy about trading and in general about life. But there you can see four times the daily goal. uh, Very well executed trade plan happened. Happy with the results and how the trade works out. Okay, so let's get into the analysis of what may have contributed to this profits. Okay, so let's get right into this. So market was gapping up today. So this is the previous day closing price around 510. It gapped around in the 514 area. So, like I always tell you, when I see this big gap up, I always fill that up. Like that gap doesn't happen. So all I wanted to do is there's some sort of follow through we're gonna get in the morning. But I didn't want to chase it down here like the first 5 minutes. I don't want to chase it and worry about getting the pullback and getting stopped out. So I let the first 5-10 minutes go by. I let this 9 EMA catch up to this price action. And all I wanted to see how this price reacts when it gets to the 9 EMA. I wanted to see either I wanted to see if there's gonna be a hammer or I want to see a like engulfing pattern for it to change to get to the new high once this pullback happens. So as soon as I see when the price starts to curl back near the area of the 9 period moving average, it is just not a skinny line, guys. It's just an area. Like you can consider this as an area. That's all I want to see was there some sort of hammer or engulfing pattern. As soon as I see this engulfing pattern forms, there you can see this 5 minutes candles. This is red one and the green one. Once this red, which is the red candle, taken out, the high of this candle was taken out right here. So you can see the high was 514.22. I went long. I put my stop right there under of that candle, which is my entry point, the reason of this trade. And my target was this new high. This new high. I wanted to sell everything down here. I got in, and once I see this giant green bar again right after my entry, I knew that I'm heading to the right direction. I waited for another 10 minutes. There you can see once this high was taken out, I sold everything right down this area. And very happy with that, how the trade worked out. I didn't chop too much because I think the trade was in the first an hour or so. Whenever you take in a first within an hour or so, you have a better chance of getting a better chance of executing, and the trade works out. So you don't have to worry about chop actions in the first an hour of the trading. Yeah, so I sold everything down there because I was not expecting another big push up because, like I tell you, the SPY has a range of 4 to 5 points. So it already gapped around at 4 points. So I was not expecting it's going to move higher because the average to range of the SPY is 4 to 5 points. So I took everything down here. I called it a day. But yeah, so I'm very happy with the execution, very happy with the trade result, how the trade works out.